Hello students, today we are with our third video for class 8 and 9. In our last class I have given you some questions I asked you to do using for loop, while loop and do while loop. Hope you have done. Now I will write all those programs for you so that you can compare with your one. The first program is display natural numbers from 5 to 55. Display natural numbers from 5 to 55. Using for loop. Class natural. Public static void main string args. Now here we need one int variable, int a. Since we are going to do it with for loop, we'll start with for, then a initial value is 5, a equal to 5 semicolon, a less than equal to 55 semicolon, and we are going to print natural numbers, that is we are going to increase by 1, a plus plus. Then put one opening brace, then print system dot out dot print ln a. Then put one closing brace, then put two closing brace. Now this program is done, complete, using for loop. We have displayed 5 to 55 natural numbers. If we run this program, then we will see output we'll see output 5, 6, 7, 8, and it will continue till 55. Now we will do the same program which I have done using for loop, using while loop. So to do it with while loop, will not change much, using while loop. Will not change much. The for line will remove. Then where I wrote int a, there I'll write a equal to 1. Then here while a less than equal to 10. Then the part of the program which we are repeating, that is the body of the loop, will remain, but one thing we have to write, that is increment value. After system.out.println, next line will write a plus plus, that is increasing the value. But I made one mistake here. You see, we are supposed to print from 5 to 55. So here we'll write 5 and here we'll write 55. Very simple. From 5 to 55, this will display all the natural numbers from 5 to 55. The output will be the same. Only we have changed the for loop into while loop. Now I will do the same program using do while loop. Let us see how to do it with do while loop. Now the same program will be doing using do while loop. Do while. Here also we do not require much changes. Int a equal to 5 remains. The while portion will remove. Here we'll write do. Then in do while, how we write? Do, then the body of the loop comes. Then after the body of the loop, we'll write the condition. That is, here we'll write while a less than equal to 55. And we have to put one semicolon here. Done. So the same program we have done in 3 process. One with for loop, then I have done it with while loop, and now it is done with do while loop. Hope you understand. The output will be same as it is one program done in 3 different process. Output will remain same. Now we will see another program. The next one was display odd numbers from 9 to 99. We'll do it using for loop first. So we'll start. We take one int variable a, then we'll write for a will start from now 9. It will go up to 99. Then since it is odd number, numbers will increase by 2. A plus equal to 2. Then system.out.println a. This a plus plus is not needed here, and the while is also not needed here. Done. So this program will display all the odd numbers from 9 to 99. So output of this program will be 9, 11, 13, 15, and the last one will be 99. We have done this using for loop. So hope you understand. Now we'll be doing the same program using while loop. It is very simple now. You know how we convert it, as we have seen in the previous program. Here we will write a equal to 9, then This for loop is not needed anymore, since we are going to do it with while loop. Here we'll write while a less than equal to 99. Then what part is missing? We have to increase the value of a. So after system out println, here we will write a plus equal to 2. Done. Complete. So this program will display all the odd numbers from 9 to 99, and we have done it using while loop. So the output of the program will remain same. Now we'll be doing this using do while loop. We'll do it using do while loop now. So you know how to change it. You have seen in the previous program. This while will not be here. In place of the while, here we will write do. Then the rest will remain same, but the condition will write after completing the body of the loop. And of course we have to put one semicolon. So this will be the program using do while loop. Now we'll see the next program. The next program was to display first 10 terms of a series, which is 1, 2, 4, 7. Display the series 1, 2, 4, 7 ... up to 10th term using for loop. First we'll do it using for loop. Name of the class we can change. We can make it series, and here we need variables. I have written one variable. We'll be using some more. Let me start for a equal to 1, a less than equal to 10, a plus plus. This for loop is only for making a repetition of 10 times. Now it is not generating the numbers of the series. To generate the number of the series, we'll take another variable b equal to 1. System dot out dot println b. So 1 is printed. The next value 2. That means we have to increase the value of b by 1. Then it will become 2. It will be correct for the second term. But think for the third term. In the third term it has to be 4. So then b should be increased by 2. So the increment is not a fixed value. That is why we need one more variable c. This is also initialized with 1. Now c will be our increment. B equal to B plus C, and the next value of C will be 2, as because for the third term C should be 2. So C is also increased by 1. Then we complete the body of the loop. Then we complete the program. So this program will generate output 1, 2, 4, 7 up to 10th term. So output of this program will be 1, 2, then 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 4, 11. That way it will continue up to the 10th term. Hope you understand. This is little bit complicated than the previous one. Here we have used 3 variables. One variable A is only for making the loop. The next variable B is for generating the numbers of the series, and the next variable C is for generating the increment value. Now we'll do the same program using while loop. Now we will do the same program using while loop. Now once it is done with for loop, it is easy for you to convert it into while loop, because most of the part of the program will remain same. So what we will do here first, we'll remove this for. In place of for, we'll write while. A less than equal to 10. And one more thing, we have to write here A equal to 1. A equal to 1. Then while A less than equal to 10. And the rest of the program remains same, but one thing is remaining. What? That is, we have to increase the value of A also. So here we'll write A plus plus. Then we'll complete the program. So the program which we did with for loop is now converted into while loop. And the output of the program will be same, which is given here for the previous one also. Now we'll do the same program using do while loop. This is also very easy now, only to convert it into do while loop. What we will do, we'll change the while, placing of while, where we wrote while, that part we'll write now do. And the rest of the program remains same. Only thing is, after the body of the loop, we have to write while A less than equal to 10, and we have to put one semicolon. Then we complete the program. So the same program is done with do while loop now, and the output will remain same, as it is the same program, just done in different process. The next program is very simple one. Will display a name for 10 times. So now the program's question is changed. Now we'll display one name for 10 times. Any name, you can write your name for 10 times. Using, first we will do with for loop. Using for loop. Then name of the program, let us make it name. Class name. Public static void main. Everything remains same. Now here we need one variable only. int a. Then since we are going to do it with for loop, this do is removed from here. Write for a equal to 1, a less than equal to 10, a plus plus. This is only for making a loop structure for 10 times. Now, what we are to print now? We are to print one name. So, write any name here. Any name you can write. Let me write Thomas. You write your name. I wrote Thomas. Whenever we write any name or any string, that has to be enclosed within double quotes. So, Thomas I have written within double quotes. Then this part is not there. Next line will complete the body of the loop. Then we'll complete the program. Very simple. We have just created one for loop for 10 times, and inside the body of the loop we have printed one name. So output of this program will be the name Thomas will be printed 10 times. Clear? Now we'll do the same program using while loop. Instead of doing with for loop, now we'll do it with while loop. Now, you know how to convert it. First, we have to write here the initial value of a. Then this for is removed from here. Then in place of for, here we'll write while a less than equal to 10. Then the body of the loop remains same. Only thing extra is we have to increase the value of a plus plus. So the program is converted into while loop. Now it will print Thomas for 10 times. So the output of the program will remain same. Now we'll convert it into do while. So we'll write the same program using do while now. So only thing, we'll remove the while loop from here. Instead of while, we'll write here do. Then the rest remains same. What more we have to write? After the completion of the body of the loop, we'll write while a less than equal to 10. Then we must put a semicolon. So output of this program also will remain the same. So all the 4 programs which I gave you in our last video, I have done using for loop, while loop and do while loop. Hope you have done it also. Now one thing, you have to compare with your one. If you find any mistake there, you correct it. Name of the variables, there is no problem. You can use any variable name. As I have used here a, you can use any other variable name. There is no problem. Now the next video when we will have, I will discuss something new. So hope you have understand the loop structure, use of loop structure in Java, and we can do many programs using loops. And what we have done, you practice this, and in our next video I'll do with new topic. Thank you.